Hey everybody, it's Rolling Real from Complete Trader Academy again with another daily review. Today is December 30, Friday, 2022, last day of the year in the market. Let's take a look here. Very easy day at the same time. They decided to make a little bull run at the end of the day. So price opened up, came all the way down, then came all the way back up right here. So let's go into a 5-minute. Let's jump right into it. All right, so here is the day, and let me just zoom out a little bit so you can see this liquidity sitting up here, this liquidity sitting down here. Price already when we woke up, this was a lower high, and then price was already breaking down all through London and Asia, and then 9:30 came. False move up, took out some highs, made a lower high, and then sank, created a gap in there in between these candles. See that? So could have been a seller right there, and then price came back up, tapped that gap, boom. That was what you were looking for. I was trying to take it to here to take out these lows, but it's not. It came into a demand area and acted as a support demand area. So price reacted sharply, came up. We still have, and now at this point, as you see, we have highs here, highs here, highs here, highs here, and on the rest. It's just too clean. So this is liquidity diagonally, right? If you put a trend line from here to here, it's just easy money. So what they did is they got into a demand zone, and then that wick, that was a very big, obvious reaction. Price came in, then you saw order flow. Boom. Order flow right there, came into a demand, took off real quick. And then they did that in the end of the day just to balance the day, to balance the range. Now you're back in the middle of this range. And where are we going to start with the new year? Well, obviously we have, I'm getting convinced with this move here. I'm getting convinced that we're gonna probably still take the top side and then come down. The new month is gonna start here in January, right? Wait, why did it stop right there? Actually, now that I think about it, sorry. Let me check the calendar. Am I tweaking here? Yeah, that's the 2nd. So it's gonna be Sunday night. That'll be Sunday night here. Anyway, so yeah, I definitely see us going. I see us both taking both sides, to be honest. In a perfect world, it should just go down. Let me go to 1 hour. But I mean, look, it's too clean, man. It's stuck in there. Obviously, consolidating end of the year. We said that last week, 2 weeks ago, even. But I just feel like there's money here to be made to take, and I don't just see it just now, because it should have already taken out these lows. This is very obvious that their agenda is to manipulate the market, and I really see us just shooting up and taking this. We probably Sunday night, we'll probably gap up even. Well, I'm sorry, Monday is a holiday, I think, so I don't think the market's open on Monday, but this is assuming Tuesday then. But whatever, I'll find out. But I just have a feeling we're going to gap up, we're going to take this, and then, or we're going to gap down and just go straight down. I know that sounds like, oh, well, you got both options, but at the same time, I don't care what anybody says. It can do either one, and that's a fact. So even if you go to, like, let me go back to the daily. No, I'm going to go to a weekly real quick and look at the weekly. Look at the weekly. When this opens up, price opens up for the next week. I mean, you got too much money sitting here, and this needs to get somewhat balanced. The price needs to come up in here somewhat to balance this big ass wick. Now, I'm not saying it doesn't have to happen next week. I mean, it could do this and then kind of come out. Who knows? And I'm still favoring the bear side. I know we're coming down here, guaranteed. But this is just a little too suspect, and what you might see here is a candle shake up, shake down. You're gonna see, I have a strong feeling that it's gonna go up and go down all in the same week. So we'll see how that goes. Watch order flow. Obviously, definitely watch Asia and London. But Yeah, just this little too suspect for me, man. Especially with this massive ass bullish support, volume right there. Look at that. I mean, at the end of the day, like that, come on. So, definitely taking out this high at the least. But I like taking both sides, to be honest with you. But if we do follow classic, support resistance and order flow, then it would just curve around and come down. All right, you guys take care. Have a good new year, and get ready for the new year. Anyone who is struggling or is concerned about trading, is not figuring it out, every time they look at the charts and you don't know what is going to happen or you're going to do, feel free to email me, CompleteTraderAcademy@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to help. And yeah, good luck to you in the new year as well. All right, take care. God bless.